Hey girls, welcome to a new YouTube video. Today we're going to be doing a makeup look inspired by the cheetah and cherry aesthetic on acne prone skin and hooded eyes. So if that's something that you would like to see, keep on watching. I'm going to start with brow gel. This is the first brow gel that I ever bought, and I don't know if it is because my eyebrow hairs are too long or what it is, but this doesn't really hold on to every single hair. Let me know if any of you have experienced that as well. I'm just going to press them down. Now moving on to eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using the P.Louise base in the shade Rumour 1. And I'm going to blend it with this Just a Beauty brush. Now I'm going in with a sponge to make sure that I get rid of the excess product. We're gonna go in with some pressed powder to set that eyeshadow base. I apply a little bit of my powder puff and then I just get rid of the excess and tap it into my eye. I'm gonna be using the Milani Gilded Gold palette, and we're going to be using this shade right here. I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. I'm gonna go in with this deep brown shade from the Colourpop Feelin Toasty palette. I use a Q-tip. We're gonna dip it in the pan. If you have hooded eyes like myself, we want to look straight ahead, relax our eye, and then just start doing random little dots. And they don't have to be perfect or like on a specific size. We're going to use some liquid eyeliner and we're going to do the like parentheses shape. I'm getting closer so you guys can really see. So we're just going to kind of do two. Like, oh my god, I love that. And now for the inner corner, we're gonna go in with some eyeliner on our waterline. This is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. I have this brush and I'm just going to make this all gonna like the same size. I'm going in with some black eyeshadow from the Bright Matte palette, and we're doing the little eyeliner here at the top as well. I'm gonna go in with some mascara. Now that our eyes are done, we're going to start with skin prep. So this is the Bubble Cosmic Milk Hydrating Milky Toner. I just apply a little and this goes a very long way. I like to apply it all over. Okay, I waited a few seconds and now I'm going to go in with some moisturizer from Cetaphil. If you're going to be wearing this look during the day, remember to apply some sunscreen. I waited a few seconds to let this moisturizer absorb, and now I'm gonna go in with some primer. This is the Power Grip Matte Primer from e.l.f. and I like to put it on my forehead and my cheeks. Now that my skincare is all absorbed, I'm gonna go in with this NARS concealer. This is the shade Ginger Medium 2. I'm just going to dip my brush and start covering all those blemishes. I like to clean up my brush before dipping it back into the product. I let my concealer dry for a little bit, and now we're gonna go in with some foundation, and I'm gonna dip my brush. And then I'm gonna start applying it all over my face using tapping motions. Very important. Always remember your jawline, all this area here. I apply the least amount of product here because I do have some fine lines, and if I apply too much product, it just doesn't look good. I like to go in with a sponge to make sure that everything is very well blended. Now moving on to concealer, this is the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum in the shade Vanilla. Oh, and for the foundation, I'm shade 128. And I am just going to apply a little. Oh, that was too much. I'll just put it here in the back. I'm going to put it to be like very careful because we do not want that eyeliner to like mess with our foundation or our concealer. Sponge. I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild lipstick as blush, and I'm going to oh wait, I forgot to put bronzer. Well, too late. This is the F01 from Just of Beauty, and I'm going to blend that here. I'm gonna add a little more here in the center. I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop liquid bronzer in the shade Coral Beach. I like to apply it on the back of my hand, and then with my brush I pick it out, and I'm just going to place it here on my forehead. We're gonna go in and do our nose contour, so I'm going to start here. Using this brush, I'm going to blend it out. Concealer here. Maybe some here. I'm going to blend it out with the same brush. I'm going in with a sponge again because I want to make sure that everything looks good. I applied some concealer here as well. And last but not least, I'll apply more concealer here, a little bit, to brighten that inner corner. Two shades here. Oh, wait. Together. Now I'm going to make sure I blend out and get rid of that excess product, and that every single thing that I did on my face looks cohesive and very well blended. And we're gonna go in with some powder. I'm going to get rid of the excess, and then we're going to place it right there. Here I do like to apply like a very generous amount because I like to bake. For the rest of my face, I do get rid of like most of the excess and then tap tap tap. A more generous amount. I'm gonna go in again with some black eyeshadow to set the eyeliner that we placed. Now we're going to set all the creams with powders. So here's a bronzer. I'm going to do here, so on my forehead, here. And now I'm gonna use this shade right here as blush. So I'm going to start here. I'm gonna apply some of this back in so that it's not like super bright. Now we are going to highlight, and I think I'm gonna use the champagne shade. Here, my nose, the bridge of the nose, and of course the cheekbone. Oh my goodness, I love eyeliner so much. I'm going to wipe off the powder from our baking, so we're going to press and then we can get rid of it. I'm going to press and then get rid of that excess. I did a lip combo, but I didn't really like how it turned out, so we're going to do it again. This is the e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner in the shade Dark Cocoa. The Twilight Saga New Moon Colourpop lipstick. This is from the Vampire Kit, and I'm just going to tap it on top of my lips. Liner, I'm just going to blend these two together. One, two, the one that we used as blush. Apply a little bit more lip liner here because I feel like we kind of lost it. So yeah, I'm just retouching that. I'm retouching the Cupid's bow. And now, last but not least, I'm gonna be using some lip gloss. This is from Victoria's Secret. Like a very thick gloss. Look at that. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what other makeup looks you would like me to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!